Hi, today we're learning about the phrasal verb go around something. It means to move around or avoid something. It means something. For example, you can go around a building or a problem. You always say go around first, then the object, not go the building around. You can use it for physical things or ideas. For example, we go around the park, or they go around the rules. It's useful in many situations. Remember, it's inseparable. The object comes after go around. Try saying, I go around the traffic jam, or she goes around the problem. You can use it in past tense too, like we went around the lake. It's similar to go round, especially in British English. But go past means something different. It means to move beyond, not avoid. Now try using go around something in your own sentences. It's a simple but powerful phrase. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.